Hi everybody, I'm Brent Shively, product and application trainer with Festool USA. In this video series, we're going to talk about building two types of cabinets, a frameless and a face frame cabinet. So stick along for the ride. A lot of you know how to build cabinets. I'm just going to show you some different ways to use the Festool product line to speed up the process, make it a little easier on you. So we'll talk about using the TS55, OF1010 plunge router, DOMINO, some of our sanders, CONTURO, MFK 700 fixed router. For these cabinets, I'm just using some Baltic birch plywood and some poplar face frame material. Typically what I do is I'll start out with a design. I use a 3D modeling program, and then figure out a cut list. Go through and sit down and try and maximize your material so you don't have any waste or very little waste. I found this works pretty well and it gets the job done a lot quicker. If you'd like to continue watching this cabinet build, click here or watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe.